Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of April for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, means Sun is your ascendant lord. Sun is very important planet for you people. And right now, your ascendant lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Sun will stay in your 8th house till 14th of April. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter is already moving. You had solar eclipse in your 8th house on 8th of April video, but right now we are talking about your ascendant lord is transiting right now 8th house and your 9th house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general nature, your fundamental nature, your physique, your body, your mental perception is also seen from first house. First house basically set the map of your whole chart because first house is your ascendant and ascendant is set the map of your chart. So right now your ascendant lord is moving in your 8th house. 8th house will be sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your secret activities, your sexual organs, sexual relationships also seen from 8th house. Your extramarital affairs, your research studies, your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. Your 8th house. So right now your first house lord is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. So in the month of April, your first house lord will be moving in your 8th house till 14th of April. So till 14th of April, you need to be take care of your health related matter, your general matters in life, whatever you are dealing, if you are dealing right now in your life, you need to be take care about them regarding your sudden events because Sun is right now moving in your 8th house and Sun is also your ascendant lord. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries. Ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father, your long distance travel is seen from 9th house, your teachers, mentors, your higher education is seen from 9th house, means your postgraduate education is seen from 9th house, your religious matter, religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. So after 14th of April, when your first house lord will be moving in your 9th house and Jupiter is already moving in your 9th house, so your ascendant lord will have the support of Jupiter in your 9th house. So we can expect great result after 14th of April. Your ascendant, your general health will be better. You feel very better after 14th of April. And we can also expect if you want to travel somewhere, you will and also we can expect if you want to travel somewhere, we can also expect good result regarding your travel related matter because your first house lord will be moving in your 9th house after 14th of April. If you are in education life and doing some postgrad education, then we can also expect great result regarding your postgrad education related matter, and you will also get the support of fortune in the month of April because 9th house also deals with your luck related matter, your fortune related matter is in 9th house. We can expect these results from Sun for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 2nd house. And right now your 9th house, for all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your 2nd house. And right now your 2nd house and 11th house lord is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Aries. Mercury is just moved from your 8th house to your 9th house on 31st of March. And Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 9th house on 2nd of April and will stay retrograde in your 8th house till 25th of April. So Mercury will be in a retrograde motion in most of the time in the month of April. 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains is in from 11th house, your friend circle, professional circle, your elder brother, sister seen from 11th house, your gains in life, your hopes and wishes, your fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house, gain of recognition, promotion, and support system. Your sources is also seen from 11th house. Second house will be the family. Your family lineage is from 2nd house. Your family history, your early upbringing, your savings, your money matters, your food intake habits, pocket bank account is also seen from second house. Basically, second house tells about your speech, your family values, your family savings is seen from second house. So your second house and 11th house lord is moving in your ninth house, and Mercury will be in a retrograde motion. So Mercury will be moving in your eighth house most of the time in the month of April. So your second house lord when your second house lord when your second house lord will be moving in your eighth house in its retrograde motion. So from eighth house, Mercury will also aspect your second house. So Mercury will provide support to your second house related matter. And Ketu is already moving in your second house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the month of April, till Mercury will be aspecting your second house, you will get the support regarding your second house related matter, like your family matters, your savings matter. You don't need to try to save a lot of money in the month of April or till Ketu is moving in your second house, because Ketu don't like to because Ketu don't allow to save you a lot of money, because Ketu is generally represent detachment. Ketu represent losses. Ketu represent isolation. So Ketu may try to detach you from your savings related matter. You need to donate some money in the month of April or till Ketu is moving in your second house. This will nullify the bad effect of Ketu till Ketu is moving in your second house on the day of Tuesday. So right now, Mercury is also controls your 11th house, and 11th house Lord will also be moving in retrograde motion in your 8th house. So, but one thing is very important to mention here is that Pisces sign is considered as debilitation sign for Mercury, and Mercury will be in a retrograde motion in its debilitation sign. But Mercury will have the support of Venus to your 10th house lord and your third house lord, and because Venus is in its exalted position in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces, so Mercury will have the support of Venus. So that's why we can expect some good result and average result regarding your gains, incoming gains related matter, your incoming gains related matter, and your elder brothers and sisters related matter. But as we discussed previously in some section, your ascendant lord will be moving in your eighth house. That's why you need to be take care of your all the matters related to your life in the month of April, especially till 14th of April. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now, your 10th house and third house Lord is moving in your 8th house in its exalted position. With your communication, your younger brothers and sisters seen from third house, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your efforts, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your skills, your hand skills, your communication ability basically seen from third house. Your hobbies is also seen from third house. Quick ideas is also seen from third house. So right now, third house and 10th house. 10th house will be your work environment, your bosses, your superior, how much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house. Your authority in life, your authority in life, your bosses, your work environment, nature of your work, how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house. So your 10th house and third house lord will be moving in your 8th house in exalted position. You may get some good result regarding your work related matter till Venus is moving in your 8th house in its exalted position, and you will get an expected good result due to presence of your 10th house in its exalted position in the house of unexpected events house of unexpected event. But third house lord is also moving in your 8th house, and third house deals with effort, and 8th house is a naturally malefic house. And right now your house of efforts lord will be in a is and right now your house of right now your house of effort slot will be in its exalted position. So you may have to do a lot of hard work in the month of April regarding your work related matter and all the matters regarding your eighth house related matter, because your third house lord will be also moving in your eighth house. Venus will stay in your eighth house till 25th of April. After 25th of April, Venus will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter is already moving. So then you get good result regarding your third because then your third house lord will be moving in your ninth house, and from ninth house Venus will also aspect your third house and give support to your third house related matters. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house, and right now your ninth house and fourth house lord is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius, where seventh house lord Saturn is already moving. Fourth house will be your mother, your home, your property, your conveniences in life seen from fourth house, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your emotions is seen from fourth house, your homeland is also seen from fourth house. Ninth house will be your long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your teachers, mentor, father's like figure is seen from ninth house, your mentors, your advisor, your guider is seen from ninth house, your second marriage, your religious inclination is also seen from ninth house, and rules and regulations also seen from ninth house. So ninth house and fourth house lord is moving in your seventh house, and Mars will stay here till 23rd of April. After 23rd of April, Mars will move from your seventh house to your ninth house in the sign of Pisces. So till your fourth house and ninth house lord will be moving your seventh house, we can expect you may get the chance of foreign travel with your spouse if you are married right now. Also, if you are in if you are not married, then we can expect you will get a chance to, and also we can expect you will get a chance to visit some place in the month of April if you have any business partner or any relationship in your life. Fourth house, because fourth house will be your homeland, and ninth house will be travel, and Jupiter is also moving in your ninth house, and Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your seventh house, and seventh house is right now also in a strong position, and seventh house also play a very important role in your travel related matters. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of April, especially till 20 is 23rd of April. After 23rd of April, when your fourth house and ninth house lord will be moving in your eighth house, then we can expect you need to be take care of your vehicles and properties related matter, and you need to be drive carefully after 23rd of April, because you may have to face some type of difficulties regarding your vehicles related matter, because eighth house is a naturally malefic house, so you may face some type of difficulties regarding your fourth house related matters. So you need to be take care of these matters in the month of April, especially after 23rd of April. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, Moon controls your 12th house, and right now your 12th house Lord is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 7th house Lord Saturn is already moving. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of April. And on the basis of 6th April, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. The important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving, second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. The malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So whenever Moon is moving near any of these planets from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and this problem, issues and difficulty could be mentally and physically. So the that's the way that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now, as we discussed previously in some section, you had solar eclipse in your eighth house on 8th of April. It is not necessary you will feel the result of solar eclipse on the day of its occurrence. Your result of solar eclipse can be felt before the 1 week of the solar eclipse and after the 1 week of the solar eclipse. So in the month of April, in the month of April, for all the Leo ascendant people, you will have solar eclipse in your eighth house. You need to be take care of your health related matter and all the matters in your life regarding your especially eighth house related matter. Like if you're married, then you need to be take care of your in-laws related matter regarding your secrets related matter and your secret activities related matter, because your solar eclipse involve your ascendant lord and will be occurring in your eighth house. So we can expect these events for all the Leo ascendant people from all the planets in the month of April. We will have five major astrological events in the month of April. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 8th house, and Sun will stay in your 8th house till 14th of April. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 9th house, and Mercury just moved from your 8th house to 9th house on 31st of March, and Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 9th house and will stay retrograde till 25th of April in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 8th house, and Venus is right now present in its exalted position, and Venus will stay in your 9th. Third major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 8th house, and Venus will stay in your 8th house till 25th of April. After 25th of April, Venus will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries. Fourth major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your seventh house, and Mars will stay in your seventh house till 23rd of April. After 23rd of April, Mars will move from your seventh house to 8th house in the sign of Pisces. Fifth and last major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 8th house in the sign of Pisces on 8th of April. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of April 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant and here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.